Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you an ICT trading strategy. You only have to trade for 2 hours a day, and this one strategy right here will make you more than someone working months on months. There's a proven strategy to work, so make sure you do watch this video to the end, because if you think about a doctor, they work all their lives just to become a doctor. They work hard and stuff, and if you can't watch this video to the end, that means you're not really taking it serious enough. Every single person who's going to university, they're taking it serious to actually get that job. And if you can't take trading serious and you can't watch this video to the end and you still haven't passed the FTMO or even funded challenge yet, then there's no hope for you, okay? So make sure you watch this video to the end so I can see that you're taking it seriously, and also you can see it for yourself, in your heart. You can feel that, yeah, I'm going to become profitable soon. So make sure you watch this video to the end, and without further ado, let's get straight into this. So this is a London session strategy, and you only have to stay on the 5-minute time frame, and it works on Euro USD and GBP USD. So and it's also only in the London session. If you know about a London session and you've been trading for a few years, as soon as London session opens, we get a massive move. So 8 o'clock right here, and all the way to of course 10 o'clock, that's when we stopped trading strategy, and as you can see, it did start going down, okay, and all the way until here it actually did go down, okay. So if you catch the move, you can catch a massive move. So in this video, I'm going to tell you how to actually catch the move, and in the end of the video, I'm going to tell you a way how to 100% know which way the market's going to go at 8 o'clock. It's something I keep for the premium group. However, it's something which I'll share in this video only if you watch it till the end, okay. So anyway, 8 o'clock right here open, and now we're looking for price to do what it does. Let me show you a demonstration right here. So let's just say before 8 o'clock, market does whatever it wants. It wants to go up, it wants to go down, whatever it wants to do, let it do what it wants to do, okay. So boom, up, down, up, down, up, down, okay. And then as soon as market opens right here at 8 o'clock, that's when we're going to start trading, okay. So what we look for is we mark out the highs and lows, the most recent highs and lows. The most recent high right here, the most recent low right here. We're going to use this as liquidity. Whichever one price takes out first, we're going to use market in that side. We're going to use it against that side, and we're predicting that market's going to go in that side for the entire session, okay. So but again, in the end of this video, I'm going to tell you how to find a way to 100% know the direction of the market. And let's just say if it takes out buy side liquidity, it might be even taken out, okay. So I'm going to tell you how to find 100% the move. So let's just say the buy side liquidity gets taken out. As soon as the buy side liquidity gets taken out, you stick to the 5-minute time frame. You wait for market structure shift. Price, it can keep on going up, but then just look for a market structure shift. As soon as you get the market structure shift plus displacement, it's not that easy. Again, don't be like, oh yeah, this is the easy market structure shift, displacement, FVG strategy. It's not this easy. Once I show you the chart examples, then you'll be like, okay, now I 100% understand this. So make sure you do watch the video to the end, so you know to yourself that you're taking it seriously. So anyway, as soon as you get the market structure shift, we get a retracement into a FVG. As soon as you get the retracement into a FVG, you get into your trade. However, again, it's not this easy. And then where you're going to target the most recent sell side liquidity, which happened before 8 o'clock. So right here. And again, the RR and the win rate for the strategy is so incredibly high, you can confidently risk 2% or 3% inside a trade. Might sound crazy, but it's true. So yeah, let's just say another example right here. So let's just say market's going and it still hasn't taken out a buy side or sell side liquidity, and you're only trading the strategy till 10 o'clock UK time, and this is 3 a.m. New York time, and you're trading it until 5 a.m. New York time. So anyway, let's just say market doesn't break a higher low, but then price consolidates and then it breaks to this low right here. You can look for your entry right there also, okay. So there you go, right there, and then you enter your trade. However, again, let me show you the chart examples so you can understand this fully. So without further ado, let's get straight into the chart examples. However, before I do carry on, I do want to say if you want to join the mentorship, it's only $50 lifetime. I'll just show you some testimonials. And again, I started this testimonial chat today, and as you can see, so many people are loving the mentorship. This is not me like telling them, oh yeah, say this. As you can see, loads of people are profiting. Today there were this entire week there were 4 trades with the strategy which I teach, and every single trade was a winner, and every single trade ran for 3 RR and more, every single one, okay. So I'll just show you some of the wins people took today on Euro USD, and it was right over here. As you can see, people were absolutely eating today, okay. And also I did actually send this out as a signal to the signals chat, and again, you can actually access the signals chat if you're in the mentorship, but with live calls, the signals chat is separate. If you want to pay for it, you can. If you don't. As you can see, yesterday we sent out this trade, and this trade actually ended up running all the way up to 1 to 7. As you can see, just took full profit here on 1 to 7, and then today it was Euro USD, and as you can see, this trade ran all the way to like 1 to 10 RR, which was amazing, okay. But I closed that 1 to 5 RR. So again, we have high win rates, high RR, $50 lifetime. It also comes with the learn and earn, so you can learn and earn through live calls 2 times a week minimum and trade with me. And it comes with all of this, so much to make you a profitable trader, and you will have most likely a chance to become profitable. And you might be asking, why is it only $50 lifetime? The reason why it's $50 lifetime is because I want to do funding opportunities in the future with the people who are in the mentorship with my personal capital, because I know they can trade. In the mentorship, I've got so much trust in my strategy that I know they can all trade with it and become profitable from it. So it's only $50 lifetime. I can charge triple it, quadruple it. People would join. It's only $50. If you want to pay with crypto or PayPal, email me right here and I will reply to you really quick. So without further ado, let's get straight into the example right here. So yeah, you're going to trade this strategy at 8 a.m. At 8 a.m, you're waiting for buy side or sell side liquidity to be taken out. Whichever one gets taken out first, we're going to go for that direction. At the end of this video, I'm going to tell you on 100% way to actually go for that direction. So there's buy side liquidity right here, and at 8 o'clock, we took out the buy side liquidity straight away. That's the first thing we took out. As soon as we took out the buy side liquidity, what happened right there is the most recent low before 8 o'clock was right here. So we should be targeting maybe this right here or this. Okay. So where you're going to enter, market structure shift happened right here. Market structure shift. We also got some displacement. Look at these candles which broke this low, and you can enter off a FVG or an order block. FVG being right here. Entry right there. I would like FVGs more, but if you have an order block and we haven't got any FVGs, I'll just enter off the order block. So entry right here, boom, and stop loss above the high, and your TP1 can actually be the lows, which the sell side liquidity which was formed before 8 o'clock. But again, this might not be the highest thing to actually help you know the exact direction. Again, at the next example which I show you, I'll show you how to know the direction 100%. Okay, so anyway, where you can also target is you can target the Asia opens. So where's the Asia open? The Asia open is at 10 o'clock UK time. That's 7 p.m. New York time. So 10 p.m. UK time, 7 p.m. New York time. And yeah, you can literally just target that also, and this is very likely to get hit. Very, very, very likely. And as you can see, it does get hit. Okay, so another entry which I'll show you, which was right here on Tuesday. Let's show you this exact same sort of thing. The strategy is so good, I don't have to tell you much about it. You can trade it yourself and then you can see for yourself. Okay, but this is a little bit different, so let me actually show you this, and let me also tell you the Asia's thing which I told you before. So let's say Asia open is at 10 o'clock UK time. Okay, so 10 p.m. UK time right here, and it lasts till 7 a.m. UK time. Okay, which is right here. Was Asia session bullish or bearish? It was bullish. Okay, clearly bullish right here. It did have this little bearish move, but that's nothing. It was clearly bearish. So after 8 o'clock, you should be entering sells, not buys. You have to do opposite what Asia session does, and that's all I'm going to say to you. Okay, because that's what's going to make your high win rate. Just that. So now you should be only entering sells after 8 o'clock, or you can literally just do the liquidity trick which I taught you. Okay, so 8 o'clock open right here, and the liquidity was right over here. Price took out this liquidity because this one got taken out before 8 o'clock, so you should just leave this one alone. And the most recent liquidity right here, price took out the liquidity at 8 o'clock, so now you should only be looking for sells. But then price ended up going higher, but you can still look for your market structure shift. So the recent low is right there. There you go, market structure shift with displacement. These candles which broke this low were very weak, and then we enter off order block because there's no FVG right here. So the order block is right here. Why is it right here? It's because we take it from the body, and it's also the last few down candles before the up move. And as you can see, entry, boom, stop loss, high, and then where you can target is, again, you can target that Asia open thing which I just told you about at 10 o'clock. You can target that and it has a very high chance of hitting it, which is right here. And that is a 1 to 3. And boom, straight away it touched take profit. And you can test this for yourself. This is not me picking a trade and being like, yeah, okay, boom, profit. It makes losses, of course, but the win rate is so good that the wins are bigger than the losses. So you can check it for yourself, you can test it for yourself, and you'll see for yourself that this strategy does work and it is the real deal. So anyway, everyone, that's it for me. If you want to join the mentorship, it's going to be the best investment you can make in yourself. Again, here are some student results that we have had for like the past month or so. As you can see, so many people are already funded, so many people are already profitable traders, because the strategy which I teach is the real deal strategy. It's not no strategy which is like, yeah, if this happens, do this, do this, do this. No, it's a set mechanical strategy which so many people have passed funded challenges for, and it also has made me pass 3 funded challenges which are right here. So if you want to join, link in the description below. You will regret not getting it for this offer price. I tried to increase this offer price, however there was some problems with the servers, so make sure you get it for the offer price, because I will increase it to $119 very soon. So that's it from me. Follow my Instagram at bills_smc, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.